Hello, welcome back. I'm Lady Heart and I keep forgetting to introduce myself. We have our first request video and I am so excited. You guys wanted to know how to thread a sewing machine. Before we get started, I just want to let you know I am no seamstress. I can sew and there's a big difference. There are much better channels to watch on YouTube to find out how to do correct sewing. That said, I can tame the heck out of a machine. The first thing you need to move past is the fear of the machine. Yep, it's more scared of you than you are of it. It's important to get to know your sewing machine's unique personality. Most breeds are known for their inconsistent behavior and poor response to bribes. So most sewing machines have a little spindly thing that'll hold your cotton on. Mine doesn't, so I just let it freeball all over the place. Much like myself. Now, if you'll have a look at your machine, you'll often find that there are a couple of diagrams on the top that can show you what direction you're going to thread your machine in. You'll also find a bunch of numbers that we're going to be following to thread the machine. We're going to take our thread and follow the numbers around. So 1 is at the top, 2 is at the bottom, 3 round the loop. Now, number 4 can get a bit tricky as you'll need to manually wind your wheel up so you can hook your thread into the little loop that will pop up. Number 5 is a bit of a corner, and then finally I can thread through my needle. Let's do it again. It's good to do this a lot until it becomes second nature. So that's the top thread. The bottom thread is a little trickier. This has a few extra steps, and a common problem you may come across is you've put your bobbin in upside down. Make sure you again follow the diagram so you know which direction the thread is going in. Pop the bobbin lid back on, leaving the thread hanging out. For this bit, we want to pull the bobbin thread up into the bottom of the machine. So we'll wind manually again as you pull on the upper thread. See that little loop that's popped up? That means your thread has caught, which is great. Use a pair of scissors to pull this through. We'll do this one again as well. Now, I don't make the rules, but you need to find out whether your machine likes it rough or likes a bit of encouragement. You're going to be spending a lot of time with your machine and they don't always cooperate. Once you figure that out, you and your machine will be able to work together a lot more cohesively.
Listen, you piece of shit, you could work on that.
Your machine's manual will have different information on all the settings on your machine, so be sure to check it out and you'll be good to sew. Also, I wanted to give a shout out to Mama Feathers Annette Hodges from Fantastique Feather Creations, who sent me this amazing foot kit for my sewing machine. Oh, there's so many many of them. I'm so excited to try them all out. So thank you so much, Annette. I am so appreciative. Thank you for joining me once again, and I hope you enjoyed today's quirky quickie. I had a lot of fun making it, I hope you can tell. I hope you have an awesome week, and I will see you in the next one.